Linda Woman said.
Good afternoon, Jamaicans. I have my life story for telling you. Me and my man there, me are 21 and him are 38. Me and my man there 3 years now. 3 solid years, and every time he take off my panty, him penis stand up. And when we notice now, Monday them go take the vaccine in cocky no get up back. Rain or fall now, me can't get no Jamaicans. Why? I'm here so other man take vaccine and for them cocky and work. So when my man do, he not do nobody no he not thief, he not rob, he not do no women. Hey, what me for do now? Me for the teacher for suck pussy sucking can't help me now. And Jimmy need justice. Either I give me back my man cock or something, man. Me want it back, man. It's nice 9.5 inch. I know it top work. And me a feed the man good. Me a wash, cook, clean. Him a getting good healthy food and he healthy blend up. I know me can't get no wood. No fuck me can't get. And me not thief, me not rob. But me can't go and pound it and make them pray fit and resurrect it. From Monday to now me a ball. Me lie down and having me hand and panning cock a ball. I say please.
What you see you try?
Usually when me take off my panty and open out the whole I fatness show it turn up. Me notice now me take off my panty it never drop. Me go on my knee, me suck, me jaw, me swallow, me gaggle, me spit. And the fucking cocky not turn up. No, more justice. Me need blood clot justice. It's serious.